Hey guys, Troy here. This is We Praise You by Brandon Lake and Bethel in the original key of A. So I did upload this song a few months ago. Someone had requested it actually before it was released. They were playing it on the live stream, sent me the video, asked if I could figure out what they were playing the best I could and do a video of it. So I did because I loved the words to the song. That's the prerequisite for any song that I'll do is I have to agree with the words from a doctrinal standpoint. The words have to speak truth about God. The words that we sing are more important than the parts that we play. The words that we sing are more important than the instrumentation and the arrangement of the song and how the song makes us feel. We have to be singing truth about God and worship. That's the most important thing. So I love the words, so I did the song. Fast forward a few months later, the official song comes out, and I listened to it, or what I thought was the official song of this one anyways. It was actually the Matt Redman version, which I didn't quite enjoy as much. So I stumbled on this version. I'm like, oh my goodness, now I can see why people are asking me to do the new one. I hadn't heard it, so I finally listened to it, stumbled across it, and man, I love the guitar parts. So pair the guitar parts with a winner as far as words go. We have a great song to do, so I was really happy to do this one, and it was a lot of fun too. There's this line in the song that I really, really enjoy. It says, "We sing with all we are, and we claim your victory." And that perspective is so important. Jesus Christ won the victory for us. Jesus Christ has all authority in heaven and on earth, which means that Jesus Christ cannot lose the victory. He says, it's recorded in the Gospel of John, right? Whoever God has given Jesus, they hold us secure in their hands. Will never be able to snatch them out of the Father's hands, ever. So think about this from an assurance standpoint. If Jesus Christ won the victory, and he has all authority on heaven and on earth, and he conquered sin, death, and the grave, he can't lose it, ever. Now, if it was up to you to hold on to that victory and to win that victory, you couldn't do it, and I couldn't do it either. We would surely lose, but our King has won. Jesus Christ has won, and then that victory is given to us. He imputes to us his righteousness, his perfect standing. We stand before God blameless. We stand before God guiltless. We stand before God with a perfect plea. That's awesome, man. That's why the gospel is so awesome, because it's nothing that we did. God the Father rescued us. Jesus Christ secured it. And the Holy Spirit seals it. It's all God. None of it has to do with us. And I find rejoicing in that. I find security in that. And I find rest in that, man. I hope you do too. That's awesome. So anyways, if you want the pedal board shot, tablature that goes across screen, tones and all that stuff, that's over at GuitarforHISGLORY.com. So you can check that out. But otherwise, I hope you enjoy this one. I had a lot of fun doing it. So we'll see you guys. Love you.
Come on, you say this is what. We praise you, we praise the same. This is what love looks like. This is what freedom feels like. This is what heaven sounds like. We praise you. This is what living looks like. This is what freedom feels like. This is what heaven sounds like. We praise you. We praise. We sing yes, you're worthy of my wildest praise. I wanna get wild for